But what makes this cycle so powerful? You might think you'd never be one of those people who gets addicted to playing the pokies. But what about making unnecessary trades? You're getting nudged along when your dopamine spikes to enter a trade because you feel a trader at the screens, you should be trading. I'm not making money if I'm not in a trade, so I'm itching to get into it. I can't call myself a trader if I'm not trading. I better get in. I've set aside this time to trade, so I better put on trade. This is what makes you vulnerable to putting on poorly timed trades or trades that you know are completely subpar trades, right? So with all this vulnerability, what happens next? Look, every day, the cocktail of looking for patterns, uncertainty, reward anticipation, and the associated neurochemicals gets expressed by people buying and selling without knowing what's driving their actions. And skilled traders know this and profit from it. But because it's so prevalent, why limit trading to only avoiding this danger? When you think about just how many people are caught out, it's a massive opportunity for genuine competitive advantage if you can be the minority taking the other side of the majority when they're making bad trades. Agree? But the bars on the charts don't tell you who the traders buying or selling are or what's motivating them to do so, correct? So how can you tell? You're probably familiar with the term playbook trade, but for those who are not, when you have an idea about how prices will move, so here's an example. Hong Kong just recently reduced stamp duty of stock trading to reinvigorate the market. It's considered bullish for the market, but buying into the Hong Kong market is too obvious. So we can express that idea by looking for a long trade in the Australian dollar futures instead. Okay, so that's a unique idea, and the details of which is not something I'll cover today, but nonetheless, it's our trade idea. But the question is, how do you trade it? How do you go from an idea about what the market might do to trading it? This is where your playbook comes in. It provides you with a framework to execute your idea using known low-risk, high payout strategies.